Well, hello all office executives. In this particular Excel video, we will be discussing on a topic that what are the working days a person needs to work between in quarter one, so that he gets his salary being paid. So first of all, we need to find out the difference of days between two days. So the difference of days, I will be using the formula days. The end date is the the April quarter end date, and the quarter one, the starting of the January date. So we are having 119 days between in the first quarter. So for government people, their working days will be, the start date is this one 1/1/25, and the end date is the start date. Sorry, not work days intl, it's network days intl. So the start date is the beginning of the January date, and the end date is the quarter first, that is the April date. And they are having holiday on Saturday and Sundays. We will be closing the braces and hit enter. So he has to work for 86 days. For private people, equal to working day dot intl. The start date is the January date, and the end date is the not working date. I am making the same mistake again and again. It's network days dot intl. So the start date is the January date, and the end date is this one, the day of the April, the last day of the April. And we are having only Sunday is the day off, so we'll be selecting Sunday, hit tab, close the braces and hit enter. So 103. So holidays for the government people would be in the first quarter 119 minus 86, and for private people the holidays would be 119 minus 103. So in the first quarter, a government or a government guy will be getting 33 days of holiday, while a private guy will be getting 16 days of holiday. That's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys, and happy good.